Which is the oldest cricket ground in the world? The options are A. Eden Gardens, B. Lord's Cricket Ground, C. The Oval. The correct answer is Lord's Cricket Ground. Which stadium is often called the home of Indian cricket? The options are A. Eden Gardens, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Arun Jaitley Stadium. The correct answer is Eden Gardens. What is the largest cricket stadium in the world? The options are A. Melbourne Cricket Ground, B. Narendra Modi Stadium, C. Lord's Cricket Ground. The correct answer is Narendra Modi Stadium. Which Australian stadium hosts the iconic Boxing Day Test match? The options are A. Sydney Cricket Ground, B. Perth Stadium, C. Melbourne Cricket Ground. The correct answer is Melbourne Cricket Ground. In which city is the Gaddafi Stadium located? The options are A. Lahore, B. Karachi, C. Islamabad. The correct answer is Lahore. Which English stadium is famous for the Honours Board tradition? The options are A. Old Trafford, B. Headingley, C. Lord's. The correct answer is Lord's. The Wankhede Stadium is located in which Indian city? The options are A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Kolkata. The correct answer is Mumbai. Which stadium hosted the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup final? The options are A. Eden Gardens, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Chinnaswamy Stadium. The correct answer is Wankhede Stadium. The first ever denied test in India was played at which stadium? The options are A. Eden Gardens, B. Feroz Shah Kotla, C. Wankhede Stadium. The correct answer is Eden Gardens. Which stadium in Australia is known for its historic hill area for fans? The options are A. Adelaide Oval, B. SCG, C. Gabba. The correct answer is Adelaide Oval. The Gabba is the nickname for which stadium? The options are A. Perth Stadium, B. Brisbane Cricket Ground, C. Adelaide Oval. The correct answer is Brisbane Cricket Ground. Which stadium is located next to the River Thames in London? The options are A. The Oval, B. Lord's, C. Craven Cottage. The correct answer is Craven Cottage. The Motera Stadium was renamed as what in 2021? The options are A. Adelaide Oval, B. Narendra Modi Stadium, C. Craven Cottage. The correct answer is Narendra Modi Stadium. Which Sri Lankan stadium was built for the 2011 World Cup? The options are A. Pallekele International Stadium, B. Gale International Stadium, C. R. Premdasa Stadium. The correct answer is Pallekele International Stadium. Which stadium is known for its stunning ocean view in the background? The options are A. Gale International Stadium, B. Queen's Park Oval, C. Newlands, Cape Town. The correct answer is Gale International Stadium. The first ever test match in India was played at which stadium? The options are A. Eden Gardens, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Bombay Gymkhana. The correct answer is Bombay Gymkhana. Which South African ground is known for its scenic backdrop of Table Mountain? The options are A. Kingsmead, B. Newlands Cricket Ground, C. Wanderers Stadium. The correct answer is Newlands Cricket Ground. The home of Bangladesh cricket refers to which stadium? The options are A. Sherry Bangla Stadium, B. Chittagong Stadium, C. Fatullah Stadium. The correct answer is Sherry Bangla Stadium. Which Australian cricket ground is famous for hosting the Boxing Day Test match each year? The options are A. Sydney Cricket Ground, B. Adelaide Oval, C. Melbourne Cricket Ground. The correct answer is Melbourne Cricket Ground. Which stadium hosted the 2023 ICC World Cup final? The options are A. Narendra Modi Stadium, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Eden Gardens. The correct answer is Narendra Modi Stadium. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.